Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to tell you about plant nutrition. As you know, nutrition is the process of intaking of food particle and converting it into energy. So when we are talking about plants, the plants are autotroph. Autotroph means that they are capable of preparing their own food by a special process which is known as photosynthesis, which is the combination of two words, photo and synthesis, which means light, and synthesis to means prepare. Now the question is, what is photosynthesis? If we define photosynthesis is a process where some organisms are able to make their complex carbohydrates using the energy from light. In the case of plant, we define photosynthesis is the process where light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll and transformed into chemical energy used in the synthesis of carbohydrates from water and carbon dioxide. Oxygen is liberated in this process, and water and carbon dioxide are used as raw material. Actually, this photosynthesis is in two stages. First is light dependent stage and the other is light independent stage. In the light dependent stage, the energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll and then it is converted into chemical energy. And this energy is used to break up the water molecule. This process is known as photolysis. The hydrogen produced is then used to reduce carbon dioxide to carbohydrate, that is glucose molecule. The chemical energy required for this process to occur comes from the light stage. Since the formation of glucose from carbon dioxide does not directly require light, it is called the dark stage or dark reaction, or we can say light independent stage. Enzymes play a vital role in this dark stage. The word equation for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide combines with water to form simple sugar, that is glucose, and oxygen is liberated in this process in the presence of light and chlorophyll. What will be the symbol equation for photosynthesis? Now we use the symbol of carbon dioxide, which is CO2. The 6th molecule of CO2 combines with 12 molecules of H2O, which is the formula for water, will result in the formation of carbohydrate whose formula is C6H12O6 with the release of 6 molecules of O2, which is the formula of oxygen, and plus 6 molecules of water whose formula is H2O is produced during this process in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The actual process is much more complicated than being represented in this equation. So if light being the source of energy, then what is the function of chlorophyll in photosynthesis? Chlorophyll is the green color pigment which is present in the chloroplast of this leaf, which is responsible for trapping the light energy and then converting it into chemical energy so that it can be used to build complex organic molecules like glucose, that is carbohydrate. The chlorophyll appears to be green because it reflects the green color of white sunlight, whereas the chlorophyll absorbs blue and red region of white light. The sugar which is produced by photosynthesis is then transported to other parts of plant body where it is needed. So if we talk about the uses of carbohydrates, the carbohydrate can be used in the process of respiration. Other structural components like cellulose can be formed by this energy-rich compound. Now I want you all to make a concept map on photosynthesis. Thank you.